All right, so we also got this custom Audio Mobile 212 down-firing enclosure. It's got two GTS 12s in it, and we did the client's logo in the front. So the client loves the EA Sports, so we did the EA Sports logo on there. And this thing hammers. I mean, it's amazing the amount of bass that you're getting with just 212s, and you can still flip up the seats, you can still access the cubby, and then also, so we still have our, like we always do, we have our disconnect with our PowerWorks connector so that you can unplug the enclosure and remove it if you had to. The doors have also been sound treated, so we have block off plates, inner skin, outer skin, and then around the speaker itself, as well as the fast rings to seal the speakers to the door itself. And so, like typical fashion, our bass knob is in the column. We always want it where it's easy to reach, you know, so that it's real easy to adjust the bass whenever you want to. And then so we went with the Vocal, the new KX3s, which have the new M-style tweeter. And then there's a middler up in the top, and then the 6.5 in the door, as well as the 6.5 coaxes in the rear.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.